of small light bulbs that illuminate each of our homes, until the fiber optics that pulses throughout the world. The discovery of electricity has helped the past generations survive and mark generation in the newer eras. What we need is to aim higher. What we need are more electrical engineers. But how does being an electrical engineer make a difference?
E is in demand. A lot of people would say that electrical engineers are the blessings to our society. Without the electrical engineers, no one could maybe improve the way we communicate. No one could improve the transportation, and especially in relevance to our health, no one can improve the medication that the electrical engineering could contribute.
Being part of the EE department requires you to possess the skills, such as building wire and installment, rewinding transformers, circuitry designing, and many more. Beyond that, you can be the pioneer of an exciting discoveries yet to be uncovered, and the head of an outstanding research that will benefit millions.
Because a world is a home without light is nothing and dull. You need an EE to see the beauty of life.
All you have to do is to become part of the engineering world. Discover electrical engineering, nuclear energy, hydroelectric, aeronautics, shipbuilding, automotive, the green revolution, microchips, pollution prevention, space exploration. There are numerous amounts of opportunities you can unlock as you work as a professional and continue to learn the wonders of technology through electricity.
Electrical engineering. It's simply the provider of electricity. Electricity is one of the basic necessity of our society in order for us to have a more convenient and efficient work. Have you ever wondered how can electricity transfer from generating plants down to your households? Well, that's the work of people who study electrical engineering. We can always see our future, but with electrical engineering, we are sure that we can see a brighter future.
Tomorrow, everything will change, and when that happens, hand in hand with electrical engineering, that change will be good and for the better of everyone. Time will pass, technology will evolve, and so will electrical engineering. Forever, to a time that electrical engineering will bring an era of living, where no today is same as ours. There may be challenges to face, more than just a short circuit, but a hurdle we must overcome together as we look forward to the promising future that only we can achieve if we start today. To stand at the top, overseeing the economic growth and development, one step.
So, what are you waiting for? Come and join us. Experience the journey through success. Be an inspiring electrical engineer. EE. Expand the horizon.
Good day. Just a very brief introduction of myself, my friends, and my colleagues probably call me Bossman. From newspaper boy during my elementary and high school days, and a member of Papua Brass Band, as full scholar to a successful electrical engineering, starting from a technician to engineering vice president, working more than 40 years in various companies, and my last engagement 2007 is from URC or Universal Robina Corporation, presently managing my own company and a chairman of one of the prestigious construction company. Why electrical engineering? It is very challenging and unique field of engineering. Problem in the electrical industry cannot be seen by your naked eyes as a harmonic and electrical noises as well as volts, ohms, and current. Almost everybody needs electricity and no factory will operate without electrical engineering. Therefore, opportunity for employment is overwhelming. A graduate of electrical engineering cannot be displaced or unemployed.
Good day everyone. I am Engineer Arturo M. Sabala and I will share with you some of my thoughts on electrical engineering. First, why did I choose electrical engineering as my course? In the 80s, when I'm still thinking what course to take, I need to look around and ask some relatives and friends before deciding what course to take. After some times, I look electrical engineering has the widest scope of practice. Everything around me is being run by electricity. I decided to take electrical engineering as my best choice because of access and availability of jobs domestically, and there is a global acceptance in land, water, and air operations of this profession. Lastly, engineers in general made good money.
Electrical engineering is the oldest of all the engineering professions. Why did I say that? In the book of Genesis, God said, "Let there be light." And there was light. And that was the birth of electrical engineering. Kidding aside, electrical engineering, or EE for short, in my view, is the most versatile of all the engineering courses, as it can be said that EE is the parent course of electronics engineering, communications engineering, and computer engineering. This is notwithstanding the fact that there are many specialized fields in electrical engineering. EE is also known as the most difficult course, as when you finish the course, you will be one among the toughest of your class. Moreover, electrical engineering is at the forefront of development of new technologies for a number of industries, including those of transport, healthcare, construction, and robotics.
Education is the only solution to success in your life. I came from a very poor family with one pandesal for my lunch and merienda during my college days. You are very lucky now because there are a lot of programs to finance your education, unlike during our days. Upon graduation, I chose not to look for a job. Instead, concentrate on the review and preparation for a board examination. As a graduate of engineering, it is very important to pass the board examination before anything else. Engineering without license is nothing. During my days, I hope not to work abroad or other countries, although there are a lot of opportunities and offered to me. Why? Because I knew Filipinos are very talented person in field of electrical engineering because of our program of education and actual experience just around the corner. My decision brought me where I am right now, president of various organizations, multi-awarded professional, and a successful businessman.
It was 34 years ago when I completed my electrical engineering course. Even we live in different era, an era of unpredictable events happening globally. And I strongly believe that the Almighty will lead us to a normal life the soonest. To the student, my advice is to focus and concentrate on your studies and attend to your classes and understand what is being taught. Complement it with some research work to fully understand the subject matter. We have our parents or guardians that will support you to complete your studies. Remember that you and your parents have one goal, you to be an electrical engineer.
Diligence and hard work are key to success in completing electrical engineering. It has been proven that practice makes perfect. Thus, one characteristic that you should develop as a student, other than studying hard, is to continue solving problems that will help you develop the skills and visualizing and analyzing the given parameters and what needs to be determined. Once you graduate from the university, you should prioritize taking the licensure examinations before finding any job. In most companies, however, the professional license is a basic requirement in their hiring policy. On the other hand, once you started working without passing the board exams, you will find it difficult to have the time and energy to review for the board exams, and the longer you delay taking the board exams, you will more likely have forgotten the basic principles of electrical engineering, and recalling them will be a very big challenge, and therefore, the chance of failing is higher.
My message upon your graduations: do not be choosy on your first job, but must be related to your chosen profession. Simply start yourself as an electrician or technician and consider yourself as not an engineer during your first job.
My humble beginning as a professional started working as a public servant for 18 years. Now working with local and international organizations and worked in more than 10 countries for the last 16 years, I put myself working with full dedication and passion. My advice to you student, if you were hard to work, put your heart in your work. Extend what help you can share as part of the workforce. Always continue to explore things within your reach. To be able, your knowledge and skills, store more information in your own data center, which is your brain cells, so to speak.
In your professional life as an electrical engineer, the key to success are also dedication, diligence, hard work, and being good in English, as communication is important in your day-to-day activities.
Your education, knowledge, and experience is the key of your success.
What is my formula to success? My formula to success is the summation of focusing on your studies. You have started it, then you must finish it. Keep on dreaming, strive for the best, love your work, believe in yourself, and prayers. There is no such thing as shortcut for being successful. We always traverse the long and winding road, face struggles and hardships. We need to overcome these challenges and take advantage of number of opportunities.
Your yearning for advanced knowledge should not stop, as education is a never-ending process. In fact, that is one of the main reasons for requiring all registered professionals to earn continuing professional development units before renewing their professional licenses, which can be obtained through trainings, seminars, and advanced degrees. You should also pursue to become a professional electrical engineer once you have gained the minimum required competence and experience. The demand for professional electrical engineers is high, as only less than 10% of all registered electrical engineers pursue to become a professional electrical engineer.
Thank you and good luck to future electrical engineer.
Good luck and hope to work with you as an electrical engineer in the future. God bless.
I'm very optimistic and confident that time will come and time will tell that you, electrical engineering student, will be our future nation builders and will take reign in running our country. Thank you and God bless us all.